In a market as competitive as the public bathroom accessories market, brilliant ideas, solutions to real problems, and innovative products make companies much stronger and more competitive. Mediclinics took on the challenge of launching a new, innovative and surprising product, the all-in-one hand washing and drying stations. All-in-one is an innovative product with high added value, which had to be presented to the market in a different and non-traditional way due to its complexity. Its characteristics meant that it was totally impossible to do physical product demonstrations at the client's facilities. We also had to stand out from the competition, who usually use traditional methods such as datasheets, photos, and videos. For all these reasons, we decided to launch all-in-one through a virtual reality application that allowed us to run immersive 3D product demonstrations while providing our clients with a unique and practically real user experience. Using virtual reality in this way, we can show a real product to all our clients without needing to have the product physically at hand. The results have been spectacular. On the one hand, there was and continues to be a great response from our clients as they get to have an immersive experience very close to reality, in which they can see and feel our all-in-one solution as if they were in front of the real thing. On the other hand, there was also a great response from our sales network, as we had a unique and surprising tool with which to show such an innovative, cutting-edge and sensational product as the all-in-one. It is time to change the way you wash and dry your hands with All-in-One by Mediclinics.